Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Range Rover Evoque 2017 and it has an issue with restricted performance, and I would like to show you how we can fix that. Let's go in deep in it. So I just connect my diagnostic scanner and we're gonna wait to see what fault code it comes, and then I'm gonna explain you from where these faults comes, this restricted performance comes, and I'll try to help you as much as possible. So let's just wait. Now we're gonna scan the car, we're gonna wait, and where we need to focus here. I don't know if you can see, ECM, electronic control module. Yeah, let's finish this. Just waiting. We are on. So basically the restricted mode will come from fan control, circuit glove, we'll need to check that, water in fuel, and this is the third one which we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you. It's a big job, it's crazy job to be honest. It's in the front of the engine, so let me take you and show you what the part looks like. So this is the oil cooling fan, whatever it's called. It's somewhere in this side. We have to take out the radiators, but I just forgot to mention before we go there, even we change this part, we'll have to remove a fuse from this fuse box here. I'm gonna show you in the moment. So to remove this plastic cover is only two pin screws, whatever you call them, and just pull it like that. Okay, and now you have two tabs here, just push them, one here, one here, and I can do it with one hand. Okay, it is off. And now where we need to look on, so is on that third, on the middle fuse. So let me take out that. So now if you can see it, our fuse is blown. So once we're gonna change that, we're gonna put the new fuse in there, because even if we change that and we're not gonna remove this fuse and replace it, we'll have the same issue on the dashboard. Okay, let's start and take out these radiators. So finally I opened the radiator pack. So to do that, you have two screws here, one here is a bar which it holds it in the place, and then once you open the bar, you have two pipes in here, one is here, one is here, and then you can just lie down like this, like I done, and then it's the pain. So to get access to this stupid sensor is behind the thermostat. Some people they take in the thermostat, but it's not really necessary to do that. What I've done, I just remove this pipe, it comes like that into the thermostat. You have to remove this pipe from here, I just hang it here, and then we can have access to this sensor. You can see it's rusty, it's a lot of coolant on it, and definitely this is the issue on the car, why we have restricted performance. I'm really sorry I couldn't film the process because I'm in my own, but we're gonna put the sensor. This is how it's supposed to look like. We're gonna put the sensor, we're gonna put the radiator back, we're gonna scan the car, and don't forget about your fuse which is located here. So I come back a little bit because we found error on the glow plug 3, so I ordered one new one. We're gonna put it back. It's quite easy now because we have the radiators out. So number one is here because it starts from the chain. Number 2, number 3, number 4. I'm gonna test all of them anyway before I'm gonna put everything back, and then gonna start put all radiators back, and then let's start the car, solve the issue. Okay guys, radiator up, everything is tidy up here. Well, this is the part we replace. Now we're gonna put a new fuse. So we have a new fuse here. I don't know if you can see, this is a good one. We're gonna put it back to the place here. I don't know if I can with one hand. Let me try. Okay, it's on. We have to put coolant because we are very low in coolant now. We're gonna go back to the car. We're gonna scan again, and you'll see no more faults from diesel filter. Diesel filter is located here, already has been replaced. So you'll have the error because of the water on the diesel, or whatever how they call it, but you know it's not the fault that. So the fault is that part. So this is the problem, and also you'll be your fuse here, located here. Let me put coolant in the tank, and then I'm gonna go in the car. So we are back to the scanner. Let's go and scan again. I already cleared the faults, but let's go and scan again. Again, we have to follow ECM. Let's see if we have any more faults there. So as we can see, it's green, clear, everything is gone. We'll start the car, and then we're gonna do one more scan, and then we'll see if we have any more codes. So we are in the car. We have another fault like SAS function limited, or whatever it's called, but no more restriction on the car. So that is great. Let's go back to the scanner, do one more time. We're gonna scan one more time the car on ECM, and then we'll see if we have any more faults. We just have one. Let's have a look what is from. This might be from the steering wheel because it's off, but once we're gonna put that, it should clear as well. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.